Hello, children. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we are going to learn about vacation. A vacation is a special time when people take a break from work or school to relax and have fun. Let's learn more about vacation. A vacation is a time to rest and enjoy. People go on vacation to different places. They travel to relax, explore, and spend time with family. We go on vacation for many reasons. We go to rest our bodies, relax our minds, have fun, spend time with family. Vacation helps us feel happy again. People visit many places during vacation. Some places include beaches, mountains, parks, cities, villages. Each place is fun and exciting. People travel in different ways during vacation. They can travel by car, bus, train, boat, airplane. Traveling helps us reach new places. Before going on vacation, we pack our bags. We pack clothes, toothbrush, shoes, snacks, water, sunscreen. Packing helps us prepare for the trip. There are many fun activities on vacation. We can swim, play games, take pictures, explore new places, eat new foods. Vacation is full of joy. Many people go to the beach on vacation. At the beach, we can play in the sand, swim in the water, build sandcastles, collect shells. The beach is fun and relaxing. Some people go to the mountains on vacation. They enjoy fresh air and cool weather. They can hike, explore nature, and see beautiful views. Vacation is a great time for families. Families spend time together, they share meals, play games, and create happy memories. Safety is very important during vacation. Always remember, stay with your parents or guardians. Do not talk to strangers alone. Wear seatbelts in cars. Follow instructions. There are things we should not do on vacation. Do not wander away alone, play in dangerous places, ignore safety rules, go too far into water. Always be careful. People enjoy different foods on vacation. They may eat fruits, snacks, rice juice, sandwiches. People take photos during vacation. Photos help us remember special moments. We can look back and smile at our memories. After vacation, people return home. They feel happy and relaxed. They share stories about their trip. Vacation is important because it helps us rest. It makes us happy. It helps us spend time with family. It gives us energy to learn and work better. We go on vacation, happy and free, traveling far as can be. We pack our bags and go away to have some fun and laugh and play. We come back home with stories to tell. Vacation time is fun as well. Today, we learned about vacation. Vacation is a time to rest, travel, and enjoy. We learned about places, travel, safety, and fun activities. Always stay safe and enjoy your vacation. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.